Okay, now we can start our lesson. So we are going to look at technical drawing, and I have a very small exercise for you. Did you carry a pencil with you? Do you have a pencil?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So in just 1 minute, I want you to draw a table. In a minute, I want you to draw a table, and then from there, we can now commence. Who has drawn a table? Is there anybody who has drawn? Okay, fine. So, what have you used in drawing a table?
A pencil.
You've used a pencil. Any other thing?
Ruler.
A ruler. Any other thing?
T-square. Set square.
Set square. That's good. What about a rubber?
I use it for wrapping. I also use it. Let me say like that.
Okay, fine. So those are some of the instruments that we use when we are drawing. So today we are supposed to define the term drawing equipment, and then we are supposed to explain uses of some of the drawing equipment. So who can define for us the term drawing equipment? Okay, drawing equipment are just the instruments that help us in drawing. Instruments that help us in drawing. So we have looked at some of the drawing instruments. So let us look at uses of drawing equipments. So who can give us name and then you give us the use? Okay, we looked at, are we together? Class,
Ndio
are we together?
mwalimu.
Yes.
Okay,
Mm,
so can you give me the uses of different
Mwalimu,
drawing equipments?
mwalimu.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Yes?
Kwenye kio mwalawa ingie daro. Kubalia shemu ingie daro. Unanipata mwalimu?
Yes. So it's like we are not together. Yes, so are we together?
Mwalimu.
Okay, one of the drawing instruments or equipment we talked about, somebody said that he used a pencil. So we usually use pencils in a drawing. But for technical drawing, the best pencil that you are supposed to use is known as a mechanical, or it is called a clutch pencil. So we have different types of pencils. depending on the thickness of the leads. But basically we use pencils for drawing. Another drawing instrument or equipment that can usually help us in drawing is a drifting board. So a drifting board is usually mounted on the floor pedestal in which the board turns. So it is able to turn. We can tilt it at different angles that is comfortable with us. So if we have a table that is able to tilt, so we refer to that table as a drifting board. So who can give us another drawing instrument and its use? Class, are we together? Are we together, class?
Yes, we are together, sir.
Yes. So just give us an instrument and its use.
I have a T-square. It is used with a drafting board to draw the horizontal lines and equally to align other drawing instruments.
That's good. Any other drawing instrument?
Oh yes, we equally have a drafting machine.
Yes.
We have the rulers.
Yes.
We have a compass.
So what is the use of a compass?
So the compass is used for drawing circles
Yes.
on all arc segments of a circle.
That's good. Any other? What about set squares?
What else?
Set squares. Yes. Who can give us the uses of a set square or types of set squares and maybe the uses? Okay, we have a 30, 60, 90 set square. We can use the set square to draw 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. And then we have the 45, 90 set square. So the sides, one side is 45, another side is 45, and then we have the 90. So instead of using a pair of compass to construct 45 degrees, then we can use a 45 set square to draw that 45 degrees. So those are some of the important or essential drawing instruments that you need to know and their uses. Is there any question? Any question, class? Okay, if there is no question, that's so far so good. I'll send for you some notes and then you'll copy them down. Thank you. Have a good day.